Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Insights with Dara. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. So today we are going to be making this beautiful tote bag. If you want to know how to make this lovely tote bag, don't skip the video, watch to the very end. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for your support so far. See you soon. Hello guys, so you're welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a tote bag. So the length will be 18 inches by the wideness will be 16 inches, as you can see. So I have them in two pieces, the back and the front. So we are going to be making a design in the front. We are going to be using an Ankara patch here. So this is it. You just arrange it the way you want it to be. So I'm making something like this in the front. So I'll have to bend it like this. You fold it like this to sew. Then that's what we're going to do now. We're going to go ahead and sew it round. So guys, I've gone ahead to put the Ankara design on the fabric. So the next thing you are going to do is the bag handle. This is it. So you just measure 4 inches. This is 4 inches, that's the wideness. Then the length will be 30, as you can see. So I'm just going to go and sew. I'll fold it into two like this, and I'll go ahead and sew. So guys, I've gone ahead to sew the hand. As you can see, this is it. This is the toe. So the next thing you are going to do is to get the center. So I'll just notch it like this. Then from the center, you're going to measure 3 inches like this. Then another 3 inches. I'm going to do same for the back as well. So guys, this is it. But I think it's preferable for you to mark it from the inside. That's 3 inches from the midpoint, 3 inches. Then remember, we're going to be folding the edge like this. So but before you do that, you are going to place the hand like this. So this is how you are going to do it. You just pin it like this. So this is it. So we have it like this. So we are going to do same for the back as well. So when you are sewing, you are just going to sew on it like this. You are going to sew like this. So we are going to repeat the same step for the back. So guys, this is the front. I've gone ahead to sew. So the next thing I would advise to do is to sew it down like this. Just go and sew it down the way we have it here. Like this, we are going to sew it. So after doing that, we are going to sew it from the front to, we're going to sew it round. This is the front. I'm going to show you why I'm doing that. I'm going to sew it like this. So guys, I've gone ahead to sew. As you can see, I've sewn it like this. So the reason why I went ahead to sew it from the front is to hide this rough part. So I'm just going to turn it inside out now. I'm just going to turn it. As you can see, I just turn it and push the necessary sides I'm supposed to push out. Then it's preferable you iron. So when I'm done ironing, I'm just going to sew. I'm going to sew it like this, like this. So this is it. I'll go ahead and sew it like this. So guys, our bag is ready. As you can see, this is the side and this is the inside. So we've been able to hide the rough part from the inside, as you can see. So if you find this tutorial very helpful, kindly leave me a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and share this video with your loved ones. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.